So there are other matches that are on this afternoon around the country, and the games we are bringing to you live right here on ZPC Television Network. And away we go, Yadah kicking us underway. And this year's Chibuku Super Cup tournament. Remember, $75,000 US dollars at stake for whoever is going to win this tournament. And of course, a place in the CAF Confederation. ZPC now with plenty of possession on that far side. Mekiwa turns well into the middle of the pack. But Yadah still firm in the heart of defense. Bright Chayambuka will knock it forward. Lennox Muchetu. Conin Mulea. On that far side, Johannes Sibanda tries to turn under pressure. Still, Johannes Sibanda tries. And there's a penalty. Johannes Sibanda winning a penalty here. He also won a penalty last weekend at the Baobab Stadium. As ZPC Kariba were taking on Harare City, and that game finishing 1-0. Johannes Sibanda burst into the box and he was hacked down and he got a penalty. And again today, he got another one. So let's see what ZPC Kariba were able to do from 9 yards out. So Moses Demera converted last time around. Let's see how he's going to do. So Demera up against Panashe Nyabunga. Demera comes through and the goalkeeper goes the wrong way. 1-0 ZPC Kariba lead in this encounter, and they celebrate. So you bet your last dollar that Moses Demera won't be able to convert. Well, will be able to convert. So he has done that. So it's ZPC who are leading by a goal to nil. The penalty that was won by Johannes Sibanda for Kawea Katuruturu. So if you're just joining us at Chibuku Super Cup action, live right here on ZPC Television Network, as Yadah restarts, they're trailing by a goal to nil. So Yadah will be looking to get something out of this game. Boyd Mutukure will find his goalkeeper and they'll clear their lines. Still Yadah have some work to do here. Godfrey Mukambi now with the captain Sambend. On that far side, Nkosi Mutlanga laying it onto the near side now. Mutembeza cuts inside. Mutlanga finally could not connect. He was right there. So that will count as a chance for the Miracle Boys.